In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google, providing a comprehensive walkthrough that ensures you get the most out of this process smoothly and efficiently. We're delving into this because navigating Google Forms, especially when permission is needed, can sometimes feel a bit daunting. But fear not, as we're here to break it down into manageable steps. First, we begin with a simple yet essential action. Open your preferred internet browser and visit Google's search homepage. This is typically at www.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar search bar. It's here that you'll type your query, how to open Google Forms when you need permission. As you type, Google might offer suggestions to complete your query or even related prompts that could guide you further. Choose the suggestion that best matches your inquiry. This search query is key in finding the appropriate solutions online or articles that guide you in accessing those Google Forms that have restrictions or ask for special permission. Next, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, which will lead you to a wealth of resources. Among the search results, you will often find an array of options, from guides and forums to YouTube videos and Google support pages. Prioritize those hits that seem most authoritative or have high ratings for user satisfaction. A good rule of thumb is to focus on results that clearly address the permission aspect of Google Forms, as those will be most relevant to your needs. Once you click on the appropriate link, you may be redirected to a detailed guide or a step-by-step procedure. The source you select should teach you how to request access or offer insights into any particular settings within Google Forms that allow or restrict access. This might involve learning about permission settings, understanding the environment that manages your access, or even discovering alternative routes to secure the permission you require, such as contacting the form owner for further access. Finally, if you encounter any errors or need further clarity on settings, returning to your search results to explore additional resources or even reaching out to Google's own support platform may prove beneficial. It's not uncommon to have questions, and leveraging Google's wide-reaching support is a smart approach when navigating this aspect of Google Forms. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to opening Google Forms when you need permission, tailored to ensure you handle each step with confidence and precision. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed guides and tutorials like this in the future.